हे एवरीवन, सॉरी इस बार थोड़ा लेट हो गया वीडियो पोस्ट करने में। एक्चुअली मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ स्पीटी सर्किट करने गया था। एंड इफ़ यू गाइज आर इंटरेस्टेड इन द पिक्स एंड द वीडियोस, सो डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन। मैं अगली वीडियो के एंड में अपेंड कर दूंगा। विदाउट फर्दर डिले आगे बढ़ते हैं। सो गाइज, इन दिस वीडियो वी विल बी कोडिंग हेडर सेक्शन एंड द फुटर सेक्शन. So if you guys see this header section, so in this we have basically two sections, one with title and the image, and another one with the icon, login and sign up. So actually these login and sign up, these are not functional, okay? So these are only for the sake of the UI. But if you want to check the functionality of login and sign up, so I have also made the video on this using Firebase, so you can check out that video, okay? So let's jump into the code base. So guys, this is our header.tsx, okay? So we are basically going to code in this file. So let's continue. Let's add header tag first. So friends, if you don't know, these header tags are basically semantic tags. They have specific meaning for the browser, okay? So within it we are going to have a div with the class name of header. Now inside this we are going to have two divs. Basically one div that I have shown you, the left section, okay, with the logo and the title. So friends, as you can see, we have successfully added the title using H4, and we have also added the image, okay? So here is the path, that is assets, and inside it breakfast.png, okay? So our left section is complete over here. Now what we will do, we will be adding the right section. So let's create another div for the right section, and let's give it a class of flex. I'm going to add some inline styling over here, okay? So you can for better practice, what you can do, you can simply add it into a class also, like as an external style sheet. Now let's add all those basically the cart icon and the login and the sign up title, okay? So friends, this is the code for shopping cart icon, okay? Inside this I tag, we have simply given is this class, we have simply given it a class name of basically this icon, FA shopping cart icon, okay? And this particular section is to show the cart item count, okay? So we are going to achieve this functionality using the CSS over here. So now let's write the code for login and sign up. Yes, so we have added h5 tag for login and sign up. Now let's try running the code. Okay, so we have not got our header because we have not imported it inside our dashboard.tsx. Cool. Let's see. Okay, so friends, right now it is looking something like this because we have not added the style sheet and we have not added the CSS. So let's go ahead and add the CSS portion. Let me remove the React as it is not needed over here and over here also. So friends, I am going to quickly add the CSS file over here, and then we will go through it. So friends, this is our CSS file. So we had that header class name, and what we have done, we have simply assigned it a height of 60 pixel. We have given it a background color, display flex, and justify content space between. Okay, so justify content space between is basically for this space, okay, that we are seeing. And now further we have that logo, basically this is the left section, and we have given it display flex, margin left, padding, and cursor pointer, okay, over here as you can see, cursor pointer. Now another class that we have, suite. So what we have given it, a color of deep pink, font weight 600, margin top 7 pixel, okay? So this sweet dish, basically this title that we have over here, okay? Next what we have, the cart count. As I have said that we have achieved that functionality using the CSS only. So we have simply assigned font size, color, padding, margin left, background color, height, border radius and width. Okay, and apart from that, we have this cart icon on which we have given line height of 45 pixel. Okay, font size of 24 pixel and color and cursor. Okay, then we have to login and register, in which we have given font weight and margin top simply and nothing else. Okay, so these are the basic CSS that we are using. Now let's quickly import it. Okay, so as you can see, we have got our heading and basically title and logo, login, sign up. Okay, so the one thing that is missing is the cart icon. Let's see why we haven't got it. Let's see if we have added that font awesome link or not for icons. Okay, so in our index.html, what we can do over here, we can simply add this link, link, okay, and this relationship attribute to style sheet, and this href of font awesome dot min dot css. Okay, so you can add this and let's see if we get that icon or not. Okay, so our cart icon has appeared. Now one more thing, we can do is we can simply add a static text over here. Let's say 1 or 2. Okay, cool. So as you can see, we have our like 2 items in our cart. So this is the headers functionality that we have completed. Now let's quickly jump on to footer functionality. So I'm going to close this and let's open footer.tsx. Okay, so let's go through footer.tsx, I mean to say footer first. So it is also simple, like 2 sections, left and right, and using div and display flex and space between, we can easily achieve it also. So let's quickly code this. Okay, so friends, as I've told you again, we are going to have the semantic tags. Okay, and next we are going to have a div with class name of footer. Now we are going to have a left section. Okay, so this is our left section in which we have the h4 tag with sweet dish, and now we are going to have another div inside which we are going to have a right section. Let's give it a class name of about us. Okay, so friends, this is the right section. It's simple like h5 tag, and inside that we have this class name of font weight 600 and about us, terms and condition, privacy policy, contact us. Once again guys, these are not functional, these are just for the sake of UI. Okay, but you can make it functional if you have your about us page, terms and condition, privacy policy, contact us. Sorry for the typo. Okay, so you can simply make it, convert it in a link. Okay, so cool. Now let's quickly create the footer.css. So friends, these are basically, this is the CSS that we are going to need, that will be needing for footer.tsx. Basically, like footer tag, it has mean height of 60 pixel, background color, display flex, justify contents, padding, and about us section, that is the right section. Once again, we will be needing display flex, width 500, and over here I have used space evenly basically, and font weight 600 for the basically simple this heading that I have shown you. Now we will be needing to import it. Let's import it. So friends, as you can see, let's see it in action. Okay, so we didn't have it because यहाँ पे हमने import नहीं किया. So let's go ahead and import it. Okay. Okay, cool. So as you can see, we have got our footer over here. Okay, a few more things that we can do over here. Let's add a link to it so that on clicking this, we will be navigating to the dashboard page, and on clicking this, we will be navigating to cart component. Okay, so let's quickly go through to header.tsx and let's add the link. Okay, so let's go to function basically. One will be go to home and another will be go to cart. Okay, So inside this we are going to simply navigate to home and to cart. Let's use navigate. Okay, so it's giving us error because it cannot find this use navigate. Let's import it. So you can find use navigate inside React Router DOM basically, and over here what we need to do is navigate to dashboard, and over here we will be navigating to cart page. Okay, one more thing, we have not added them yet. So over here on click, like go to home, okay, and on click go to home and go to cart, we will be adding to this I tag. Okay, cool. Now let's see if our functionality is working or not. Yes, it's working, and yeah, it is also working. Okay, cool. So friends, I will be ending this video over here only. So in this video we have successfully created our common components, that is header tag and footer tag. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.